Are you considering SolidWorks Simulation in your company? Here are the top 5 benefits to moving into a finite element analysis or FEA environment. Simulation is built into SolidWorks. Since the program is built into SolidWorks as an add-in, you don't have to import or export models back and forth to make design changes. SolidWorks Simulation works right inside of the part or assembly file and can even change the geometry of your part to optimize design features for the best possible part. Effects of load and geometry changes can be checked and reported in design trackers and comparative study tools to pick the best option for each scenario. Having a design tool work and use your current design data that you are already creating is one of the biggest time savers for your mechanical designers who use SolidWorks. Taking away tedious aspects of design. Designers are often fraught with worry over deadlines and efficiency problems in the manufacturing environment. Since testing and creating new designs take up a significant amount of time, SolidWorks Simulation can recoup some of that time by allowing the designer to iterate multiple times inside of SolidWorks before moving into the prototyping and testing phase. This has saved some of our customers thousands, even millions for expensive molds by avoiding costly rework and prototyping overhead. Safety rating. Everyone wants to make their products higher quality, lower cost. Simulation will allow you to remove material and test for the greatest strength to weight ratio, and then allow you to scale up by some factor of safety. Some manufacturers overbuild to ensure safety, and this is costly. Some manufacturers underbuild their design, and they have recalls and lawsuits. Safety is important, and SolidWorks Simulation can provide the factor of safety of your designs in operation. One prevented recall is enough to pay for the cost of the software and training. Easy to use. One of the top objections to using SolidWorks Simulation is that you need an engineer or substantial training to use FEA. SolidWorks Simulation is designed for machine designers, yet powerful enough for analysts to use. You don't need an engineering degree to use SolidWorks Simulation, and most users are off to the races with this product in 2 to 3 days of training for basic structural simulations. More advanced users typically require up to 5 days of training for nonlinear or dynamic applications. This technology is obtainable and cost-effective to learn and operate because it is easy to pick up and get experience just like SolidWorks. Efficiency. SolidWorks Simulation is not just for your products but also for your manufacturing process. The tools that create your products are often designed in-house. SolidWorks Simulation can be utilized to extend the life of fixtures and tooling in addition to production parts. Making parts cheaper, lighter, faster than ever, this is what efficient engineering is all about. Using this technology in all aspects of your process can yield some incredible returns and shorten your time to market for new products. You still have questions about FEA? Feel free to reach out at tpm.com.